Welcome back to Tap Tech today. We're reviewing the Asus TUF Gaming A14. This is a compact and powerful gaming laptop that's built to be tough and reliable. Asus designed it for gamers who want strong performance in a smaller form. Spend some time using it, testing games, doing creative work, and pushing it with multitasking. Let's talk about everything this machine has to offer. The TUF Gaming A14 has a bold and rugged design. It looks sharp and feels solid. Asus made sure the body feels strong with military-grade durability. You can tell it's made to handle daily wear and tear. The outer shell has a mix of metal and plastic, and it resists flex well. The lid has the TUF logo and a brushed finish that gives it a serious gaming vibe. It's a bit more compact than many 15 or 16-inch laptops, so it's easier to carry around. At just under 20 millimeters thick, it fits nicely into a backpack. The hinge is solid and opens smoothly. The keyboard deck is firm, and the keys feel good for both gaming and typing. You get RGB backlighting, and it looks clean with adjustable brightness. The trackpad is responsive, and while it's not huge, it gets the job done well. Asus also added a numeric keypad on some models, which is great for productivity tasks. Now let's talk about the display. The A14 has a 14-inch Full HD display with up to a 165 Hz refresh rate. The screen is bright, crisp, and great for gaming. Colors are vivid, and the contrast is strong. It's not old, but for a gaming panel, it does very well. Fast-paced games look smooth, thanks to the high refresh rate. Ghosting is minimal, and response time is quick. It also has adaptive sync, which helps reduce screen tearing when playing intense games. The slim bezels make it feel modern, and the viewing angles are wide, whether you're gaming or watching videos. In terms of performance, the Asus TUF A14 delivers a lot in a small body. It comes with the latest AMD Ryzen 9 or Ryzen 7 processors, depending on the configuration. These chips are fast, efficient, and handle both games and heavy multitasking well. You can run AAA games, stream, and open multiple tabs without lag. Pair that with up to an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 GPU, and you've got serious graphics power. Ray tracing, DLSS, and high frame rates are all possible on this laptop. It's great for shooters, racing games, and open-world titles. Whether you're playing Cyberpunk, Fortnite, or Forza, the A14 keeps up easily. It also stays relatively cool, thanks to Asus's cooling system. There are multiple heat pipes, dual fans, and proper airflow. Doesn't overheat easily even. During long gaming sessions, the fans do get a bit loud on turbo mode, but that's expected in a compact gaming laptop. For memory and storage, you get up to 32 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM and fast PCIe 4.0 SSDs. Loading times are short, and switching between apps is smooth. Boot time is almost instant. You can upgrade both the RAM and SSD later, which is a nice bonus for a 14-inch model. That gives this laptop some future-proofing. On the software side, Asus includes the Armory Crate app that lets you control fan speeds or GB lighting, performance profiles, and system stats. It's easy to use and gives you control without needing third-party apps. You'll also get a clean version of Windows 11 with minimal bloatware. That means better performance and fewer annoying pop dash-ups. Battery life is decent for a gaming laptop. You can expect around 6 to 8 hours of use with light tasks like browsing, streaming, or document work. Gaming on battery drains it much faster, which is typical. Still, with a 90 watt-hours battery and efficient components, it holds up well. It charges via a 200W adapter or USB-C in some variants, so you can charge it with a power bank or compact charger. If needed, when it comes to creative work, the A14 can handle it smoothly. Editing photos or 4K video is easy, thanks to the powerful GPU and CPU combo. The screen has good enough color for semi-professional work, though color-critical editing. Might still need an external calibrated monitor. 3D modeling, CAD, and rendering are all possible on this machine. It handles Adobe Premiere Blender and other heavy apps without slowing down. For audio, the speakers are bottom-firing. They're not the loudest, but they're clear. Want to use headphones for immersive gaming? There's support for DTS. X Ultra, so surround sound in games or movies is decent with good headphones. Voices, footsteps, and gunshots are easy to distinguish. And there's minimal distortion, even at high volume. Connectivity is solid. You get a good mix of ports. There's USB-C with DisplayPort and charging HDMI, 2.1, Ethernet, multiple USB ports, and a headphone jack. Wi-Fi 6E ensures fast wireless speeds, and Bluetooth 5.3 gives you reliable connections for accessories. It's easy to hook up an external monitor, keyboard, or gamepad and turn this into a desktop setup if you want. Now, let's talk price and value. The Asus TUF Gaming A14 is priced aggressively for what it offers. You're getting a higher refresh rate display, RTX graphics, powerful CPU, good battery, and tough build quality. For gamers who travel or want a smaller, portable gaming laptop, this is a solid choice. It's also a good pick for students who want performance for both work and play. Compared to other 14-inch gaming laptops, it holds up very well in terms of value. There are a few trade-offs. It doesn't have a 4000 display option. The speakers could be louder. Fans are a bit noisy under load. But these are common and compact. Gaming laptops, and Asus balances performance and portability well here. Let's summarize the pros. It's compact, but powerful. The build is durable and stylish. The 165Hz display is smooth and bright. Gaming performance is excellent. The cooling system works well. It has upgradable RAM and SSD. Battery life is decent for light use. There are plenty of ports and fast connectivity. It also has a good software suite. Now the cons. Speakers are average, can get loud during gaming. No 4K screen option. There's no SD card reader. And heavy gaming still drains battery fast. So what's the final verdict? The Asus TUF Gaming A14 is one of the best small gaming laptops out right now. Brings great performance, solid build, and a fast screen in a travel-friendly size. You want a powerful gaming laptop that's easy to carry without spending a fortune? The A14 should be on your list. It's perfect for gamers, students, and creators who need performance on the go. Thanks for watching Tap Tech. If you found this review helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more reviews just like this. See you next time.